Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on auto emojis on Discord in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your Discord. Now here, you will find user settings. Go for it. Now scroll down. Here you can see the chat option. Press on it. Now here you can see the option. You just have to turn on this button. So this is how to turn on auto emojis on Discord in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.